Good morning, guys, and welcome to part 2 of Vlogmas.
Get ready for the jingle.
Yes, Mike! So this morning we are doing a lot of DIY. We've got a miniature assistant. Basically, it's River's birthday. Mike's about to make loads of noise. Thanks for that. It's River's birthday right after Christmas, and this weekend is the last kind of free weekend we have to do the prep. So we're putting together the furniture for her birthday party. You got lots of friends coming. She's loving the DIY. I'm not allowed to get involved, so I'm just unpacking and putting the packaging out for recycling. Wow, look at that table, Bug. You got your own baby-sized table.
Mummy was in charge, it'd be falling to pieces.
Yeah, that's kind of true. You want to carry it?
I can't carry the table.
I think it's a bit heavy for you, darling. Where do you want to take it, Riv? That way? So the table mission is accomplished. We're literally about to run out the door to go and get Nando's for lunch. But I thought I would show you her party tables. This was actually a recommendation from my sister, not to rent kiddie tables and to get your own for future use and to lend out to your friends, because we're like the first ones of all of our friends to have kids. It makes sense. She was like, you'll get so much use out of them, and then you can just pass them on when you're done. And River is obsessed. She's been drawing with her dolly, and it's very cute. These two Nando's monkeys. I've just been a very bad vlogger, Mike said. You didn't vlog eating your food? Sorry guys, completely forgot. But it was tasty. And my lips are now even more sore than they were before from eating all the hot sauce. Guys, I've just finished wrapping all my Christmas presents. And what's going on here? Piglet is climbing over them. Yes, Piggy. Go round, man. Go round. There's nothing tasty on that plate because I ate it all. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. I've just dropped River off at nursery. Monday's her nursery day. And today I think it's pretty much the last day before Christmas that I've got to do stuff. Where I'm not in London, I'm not, like, I don't have any crazy work commitments or anything like where I have to be out of the house. I've got a lot of like admin, boring jobs to do, and I don't have River, so that really helps. I'm sat outside home base waiting for it to open so I can go and buy paint and tester pots for the paint colour for the kitchen because I don't know what colour to paint it. So yes, here I am waiting for home base. Oh, the glamour. Morning, guys. I actually didn't vlog yesterday. I was doing a lot of admin. It was basically like my one last...
Butterfly.
A butterfly?
Yay.
Is a unicorn.
It's a unicorn, the butterfly.
It's a unicorn butterfly. To be fair, with unicorns, it's whatever you like, mate. Make it up. Yeah, no, there's just a lot of stuff going on. I'm turning on the Christmas tree lights as well. Are you ready for this? Ta-da! It did work. Thought it was the wrong one for a second. There's a lot of stuff going on with the house, and it's just like my last day. It's literally my last day, like at home without River before Christmas, where I could get all the stuff done. So I didn't vlog yesterday. Today I'm leaving with River with my mum, and I'm heading down to London. I have no makeup in my eyebrows because today I have my consultation with Suman Brows to get microblading. It's just the initial consultation. I'm not having it done today. I'm very excited. We've been trying to get a date in with her because she's like the queen of microblading. Apparently she's very, very good. I've wanted to get microblading for ages, and finally I'm getting around to doing it. So that is today, and then I've got a couple of meetings in London as well, and then I'm coming back to see you.
I want the baby potty.
You want the baby potty?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. I can see it. I can see it.
Potty.
There's the baby potty. Do you want the baby as well? To sit on the potty. There you go. Lovely. She sit on the potty. How rude, baby. So I have arrived just in time. The weather in London is horrendous today, but I am very excited to get my brows done. Well, hello there, guys. I've had a bit of a vlogging fail today because my camera ran out of battery.
Never, don't leave it.
Yeah, I didn't charge it up. But anyway, I'm back home now. MDF is here, pouring himself a Sicilian lemonade, don't you know? He's just been to the supermarket, stocked up on food, because quite frankly, he is my hero. I had my brow appointment with Suman, not Suman, Suman. She was lovely, and we're all set to go next week. Up? She tinted, not quite tattooing, microblading is slightly different.
Fair enough.
They like cut you. You guys know what microblading is, Mike doesn't. Anyway, so she tinted my brows. I think it's slightly too dark. Problem is with brow tinting, I took the makeup out just to test when I got home because I was like, is it too dark? Is that it fades, but obviously the microblading won't. So I need to talk to her about maybe going a little bit lighter. Is it good? But anyway, she was lovely and I'm very excited for microblading next week. I'm going to New York. We're leaving at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning and I have packed. Me and my mum are sharing a suitcase. Can't remember whether I said about this in the vlog yet. That's the problem with weekly vlogs, is that so much happens. You forget what friggin' day of the week is. Me and my mum. It's the 11th. No, it's the 10th. It's the 11th tomorrow. Anyway, me and my mum are sharing a suitcase. Yes. And I therefore packed the biggest suitcase I own. Like, it's the ginormous away one, the giant one. And then I realised it's a little bit overkill even for 2 people, just for 3 nights. So I'm gonna repack, and there's a few things that I haven't packed. You're gonna give one to me because you're so nice. Mike's advent calendar. I think your phone's ringing. So anyway. After Mike's finished chatting with his mama. What was I gonna say? Yes, there's a few more things I need to pack tonight. We need to cook some dinner. It's already 8:30.
Why?
I haven't checked. I need to check in. Let's do it.
Check in? With who?
Not funny. Not funny at all. Okay, so the suitcase was so damn heavy, I've only made it halfway up the stairs. I'm stopped in the corridor. And now it's time to see if I can fit everything that's in that suitcase. It doesn't actually look that much bigger when it's laid out, but when it's like folded up and standing up, it's a massive difference. That one is huge. Also get to have a bit of a nosy at what Mum's packed in her suitcase. Interesting. Turns out nothing exciting except this little travel pack that I packed for her, which is basically made up of lots of travel minis that I had collected, and this is like a surprise I did for her the other day. It's one of the smaller Space NK bags inside a bigger one. So this is everything for when you arrive, and then this is all the in-flight stuff. Interestingly enough, she's packed it in her check-in bag because my mum is the most low-maintenance person ever. But she's very excited to try all the products. I gave it to her and she was like, oh my God! Piglet is currently attempting to break into the suitcase. Piggy, you can't come. I wish I could take you, it'd be so cute. You stink out New York with your poo breath. Okay guys, it's gonna be tight. But I think if I sit on it, maybe mission accomplished. Determination, a little bit of elbow grease. We are good to go. MDF is chefing up a storm this evening. We've got chili tempeh, teriyaki tempeh with kimchi fried rice. Yum! And he's also listening to This Is Going to Hurt, which you've listened to the first half of it.
I listened to bits of it when you were listening to it, and I really enjoyed it.
Which, if you guys haven't listened to, it's Adam Kay is the author. It's so funny, and he's just released a new one. So I'm gonna get it over Christmas and read it. Bit late starting this morning, guys. We're on the plane. Mum's here. So we've got 2 hours left to go. Bored enough that I've been through all of my photos from the whole year and created an album to make a photo album for River. And it's actually been so fun looking. Mum's watching a film now, but we've been looking together. It's so cute. She's grown up so much. Hello guys, so we have arrived in New York. We actually arrived a little while ago. We've been mooching about for the afternoon trying not to fall asleep. We've checked into our hotel. We're staying in Soho House, which is a massive, massive treat. And the room is incredible. They had a special rate going where the biggest rooms were cheaper than all the other rooms. So we completely lucked out. Look at this bed. It is just stunning, absolutely stunning. And our room is gorgeous. There's a bath here, although I'm sharing with my mum, so I mean, I don't know if either of us are gonna have a bath in the middle of the room. Maybe, I kind of want to. And then, yeah, this is the rest of the room. Got a little sofa area. We've got a bathroom in here, shower, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm just so excited to be back in New York. I love this city. Good morning guys, welcome to our first morning in New York. I'm in Soho this morning. We've just been for a lovely breakfast at one of my favourite places, which is called Siddell's, for bagels. They were delicious, and we are now walking around doing a little bit of shopping in Soho. I'm actually I didn't tell you guys why we're here. We're basically on a girls' trip. I'm with my mum's best friend and her daughter as well, and we are just coming out for a couple of days pre-Christmas. Yeah, I've so been looking forward to this trip, and it is a beautiful day. Look at these three. We all dress the same, all in black and blonde. It's a beautiful day here in New York this morning, and it's actually freezing. I think it's like -2, and I didn't really anticipate that. Like the weather report has been all over the place. It's been like 10 degrees, 2 degrees, -3. Confusing. Who knows what to wear. On our way to Radio City to see the Rockettes, which I've never done before. Are you excited, Mum? Or do you want to shop?
Yeah, no.
Mum was like, I could miss this to go shopping. I was like, no, Mum, come on now.
I can't afford it, so hey, let's go to the show.
It's going to be super festive. Very, very excited. So Christmassy. Look at this. Look at her hair, wow. Wow, look at this chandelier. That is the biggest chandelier I've ever seen. Or is it a Christmas tree? Guys, that was awesome! I feel so Christmassy. Do you feel ready for Christmas now, Mum?
I feel very Christmassy.
So Christmassy. We're now on our way to Times Square to show the girls Times Square for the first time. It's freezing. Freezing. But super Christmassy.
Oh, I like the red and pink.
Good morning, guys. We are in Central Park right now. We've come for a morning stroll. It is freezing, but still beautiful. Last time I was here was super, super sunny, and the time before that it was snowy, so I feel like it's a little bit grey, but still pretty. Good morning, guys. Welcome to our final day in New York. It has flown. Last night we completely crashed out and we ended up getting room service, which is a pet hate for me when I'm traveling. Like, I hate doing it.
Yeah, but it was a nice
But it was
room.
so nice, and we just had the nicest girly evening in dressing gowns, drinking Prosecco. It was fantastic. Now we are up on the High Line. Mum and I have come out to get a cheeky early morning photo. It's rainy, it's gloomy, but it's actually still really beautiful. I feel like New York streets, when it's raining, it still looks nice. It's impossible to make it look bad. It's kind of a shame it's not snow, but actually probably not for the flight. Also dead quiet because it's a Saturday morning. There's been a few runners out, but not much else. So it's a little bit later now. We have walked all the way through Greenwich Village, all the way through Soho. Oh my god, Mum!
I fell in a puddle.
Mum just walked into this puddle, which is about 3 inches deep because she's so engrossed in her milk, cereal milk. We just had our last cocktail of the trip in Nomo Soho kitchen. My favourite chandeliers, look at these. My favourite chandeliers in the whole of New York. So pretty. And now we're going to the airport. This is how we roll, guys, on our way back to London. I'm not gonna lie, they didn't give us seats until we got to the gate, and I was a little bit worried. You never, I think I rarely lose my cool when travelling, but I did badly. Like, I was worried we weren't going to get home. On our way home, I had an awesome time.
Great time.
Looking really stylish. Mum's like, I'm not with her. I'm not with her. That's going to be it for this vlog. I'll see you tomorrow, but next week. Have a great week. See you soon.